Oh my god, guys, look at this. We have this message. Thank you for using Delta. What's up, guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I'll be showing you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. Type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our username. Okay, so let me enter mine quickly. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait for this. Okay, user found, click connect and import the latest Delta Executor and select script that you want to add to your account. Click continue, guys. And let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for Delta Executor. Just scroll down and click verify now, and let's wait a little bit. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to launch free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and we'll start the loading from the official publisher from the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this Family Island and Travel Town. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this status completed, success redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting and let's see the final step. Injection successful, guys. That's it. If you have this message, okay, so let me open my Roblox and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let's see now. Oh my god, guys, look at this. We have this message. Thank you for using Delta. I can't believe it. So yeah, let me click here and boom, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute and enjoy in your Delta Executor. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next. Bye.